Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm always uploading video and I've never shown my work area, so I'm gonna just give you a little sneak peek of it now. So as you can see, this is the outside, but we were reconstructing, so I'm gonna put a glass here. So there's gonna be a glass, a transparent glass, and this is the little partition for here, and this is my room door. Do not mind this, guys, because I don't accept cards now. So when you enter the door, here is my little waiting seat here. So this is where clients sit when they come to get their hair done. And also this is a little extra seat here to the side. So I have this extra seat when you enter the door, guys. Don't mind this because this is just the other side of the board and it haven't been painted yet. And then we go here. This is my little snack bar where like I put snacks like biscuits and so on, and clients purchase them when they come here. So as you can see, just a little bottle of water here, and this is just my little money chest or whatever you call it, but the cover is missing, guys. So that's the least. So this is the view from the inside looking on the outside, because my work area is inside a little salon. So here at the entrance I have this little stand here that I sell like ear accessories, like these sponges, these little cute sponges. And I have these perfumes, like these are female perfumes, and these are the sets where you get the body spray and the body lotion. And down on the second shelf we have some more body sprays and body lotion. There's so there are three different sets here, and these are some growth oils. They work really good, guys. So this is it. This is a growth oil, and this is the name of the brand of that. And here you can see the ingredients and the benefits, directions, and it's made in Jamaica. And here is a Instagram number, and not Instagram but the WhatsApp number, and here's their Instagram page right there. Alright, and these oils are tested and they are 100% natural. So on my third shelf I have more body sprays, and these are some press on nails. Here you go, some really cute ones, short and long. And on the third shelf, this is my tissue holder for my clients, and this is my hand soap. I don't normally keep them here, but I happened to put them here a few days ago. And these are some more ear accessories like braid string, the springs and shells. Here's a closer look, shells and so on. And I have a little drawer here that I have more tools in, some tools and some other hair stuff in this drawer here. And my little plant, my little snake plant right there, guys. As you know, snake plants, they are great for purifying your hair, the ear, as in AIR, ear. And bam, this is my photo backdrop. This is it, guys. So up here I have the butterflies and the flowers, and I'm gonna put the name Iconic Fingers here. That's not the name of my channel, that's the name of my Instagram page, and I'll be using that name overall. But for the channel name, which is Decor, I created that name because I wanted to do other stuffs on the channel, and Decor covers a wide range of the beauty field. And there were some stickers on the wall, and I'm removing them little by little, so I'm going to redecor some part of it, and it's partway decorated but not fully. And round here now, so that's the section for the clients. And now this is my section. There's some more butterflies and stuff on the wall. Love what you do. Believe me, that's so true, because if you don't love something that you do, you won't do well in it. I think, I don't know about anyone's view, but it's better for you when you have a passion for something. So my mirror, I have two mirrors. This huge one right here, and my vanity lights for extra lighting. So I have the vanity light that goes right around the mirror, and this is my little fan. But AC is inside the salon, but I still have a fan in my room. And for this corner, guys, this is my little extra stand because I have so many products and so many tools, so I had to add this stand to the table so I could have it to place more tools and more products on it. And this is my little hair station right here. So guys, I have so many tools. So there, those are tools in those boxes, the white one and the red one. And this is a shelf where I have products, but I'm thinking about putting a door here so it's always closed with a mirror that the products won't be visible like that, and that would be more classy. And up top I have my plant wrapped in, the pot is wrapped in red paper, and this is the spider plant. I think it also purifies the air, and that's my canvas head right there. And this is my shelf. See guys, I have so many products packed up and I still need more. Then bam, I have this other mirror here. So these are the two mirrors, but this mirror is attached to the hair station. So I have this mirror and I have that mirror there. And this is my little ring light. It's not a big one, it's just a, I don't remember if it's a 10-inch. I don't remember the inch, guys, but it's really bright. And I don't remember if I bought it on Amazon. No, my girlfriend bought it for me in Kingston. And this is where you operate it, guys. You have the on and off sensor and mode, and the plus and minus sign which dims and brightens the light. And there's my little garbage bin. Isn't it cute, guys? And over here I have my styling chair. I know it's a little scratched up on the arms, but I will spray it real soon and it will be nice again. And this is my little garbage bin here. So I have two garbage bins. So this is my little storage area on my station, guys. I have my combs, brushes, and some more. It's kind of unorganized, but I'll fix that soon. And here I have the drawer where I keep towels, and in this other drawer I have, these are some bags, guys, with lace wigs. And this drawer I have some leftover here, like leftover braids. In this drawer I just have some little necessary stuff, as you can see, and another flat iron. So guys, so that's the entire view of my room. Hope you like it. Maybe you can get a decor idea from it also. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and leave your comment, guys. Thank you so much for watching.